this Blackstone grill cover to show you. So this is going to be perfect for a 36-inch grill. You're just going to put it right on top there after installing the handle, which is very easy. It comes with an Allen wrench and a wrench in order to put the screws in. It's also going to come with these two grill cover handles. So you're going to put these on the handle to protect it from heat. It comes with two of them because over time the heat from it being so hot can cause a little bit of deterioration. But what's really great about this is that you can take it and hang it right on the back side of your grill. It's going to come with these two small hooks that you can hang the cover right on the back. Just like that. And what's really awesome is that it's not going to occlude the drain here, so where you're going to put all your oil and grease. So this thing is so nice. Very easy to install, and it is going to be perfect for your 36-inch Blackstone. It has a nice coating on it, so it's going to prevent it from rust as well, which is really nice, especially since you'll probably leave your grill outside like we do.